so seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Break it down, it's bustin' on my niggas up to something. Tried it, yet you still came up with nothing. You did that shit the harder way, me, I played the smarter way. God stay with me, gotta pray, so stay up on my acting like it's my fault, yeah, that's my fault. Don't worry about me, ma, they call me top dog. Them niggas tried to play me, no, I'm not so. I'm rolling with them niggas, knocking tops off, yeah. Breaking them down, I cut them loose. Don't worry about these niggas, most these niggas, they just pick and choose. Wouldn't last a full day if you was standing in my shoes. Stay up on my P's and Q's, so knocking on my ones and twos. My future's looking bright, man, I just see it from an eagle's view. My baby, she the realest, where that shorty is just me and you. Stop asking what I see in you. And baby girl, don't trip it, I just got a couple questions, yeah. If I ain't had this perfect smile, if my pockets wasn't blessed, would you still stick around? If my whip wasn't right and I was walking around this town, if I was asking you for money, would you give it or just bounce? If I ain't have it off, baby, I was struggling. If I was down on my ass, but I was hustling. If we was out in my county, have enough would in it, still have love for me? Break it down, it's bustin' on my niggas up to something. Tried it, yet you still came up with nothing. You did that shit the harder way, me, I played the smarter way. God stay with me, gotta pray, so stay up on my acting like it's my fault, yeah, that's my fault. Don't worry about me, ma, they call me top dog. Them niggas tried to play me, no, I'm not so. I'm rolling with them niggas, knocking tops off, yeah. I don't know what really happened. I started from the bottom, found my passion, it was rapping. Friends come and go, give a fuck about how they acting. And if it was a problem, all my brothers get it cracking. I've been way too lazy for the interviews. Was kinda crazy, I've been into you. I'm on my way, I'll probably take a few. The only thing that matters should be you. Bustin' on my niggas up to something. Tried it, yet you still came up with nothing. You did that shit the harder way, me, I played the smarter way. God stay with me, gotta pray, so stay up on my acting like it's my fault, yeah, that's my fault. Don't worry about me, ma, they call me top dog. Them niggas tried to play me, no, I'm not so. I'm rolling with them niggas, knocking tops off, yeah.
Sauce it up.
Suicide is not gon' hold me down. Switching sides, no, you are not my love. In my ride, I put the windows down. Feel alive, I'm chasing for the crown. Suicide is not gon' hold me down. Switching sides, no, you are not my love. In my ride, I put the windows down. Feel alive, I'm chasing for the crown. Shawty came and left me for foreign. Left me for somebody that was snoring. Yeah, I've been wide awake, I've been scoring. Now you get a taste, yeah, you know it. Rolling dice, the odds are off my side. Losing vibes, cause you are not my wife. Feeling high, that's how I stay alive. Trying to fly, but both my wings are tied. I just care about you, I'm not simping. While we bickering about little lame things, I've been crazy about you, I ain't kidding. Man, why won't it come true, I've been praying. Suicide is not gon' hold me down. Switching sides, no, you are not my love. In my ride, I put the windows down. Feel alive, I'm chasing for the crown. Suicide is not gon' hold me